Welcome to the Slowly English Listening Podcast. Together, we'll improve your English step by step. Episode 6, Traveling and Asking for Directions. Hello everyone. Get comfortable and relax. I always say that the best way to learn is to slow down. Think about it. When you travel to a new city, you don't run, you walk to see everything clearly. English is the same. By listening slowly today, you are giving your brain the time it needs to catch every word and every sound. This slow practice is what creates fast progress later. So, relax your shoulders, be patient with your journey, and let's enjoy this adventure together. Welcome to episode 6 of English Step by Step. I am Adam. I am so happy to be here with you today. In our last episode, we went to a restaurant. Today, we are going even further. We are going on a trip. Traveling is one of the best reasons to learn English. Today, we will learn how to navigate an airport and how to ask for directions in a new city. Let's start at the airport. Imagine you have your suitcase. You are looking for your flight. Repeat after me. Passport. Ticket. Boarding pass. Gate. Very good. Now, imagine you are at the check-in counter. The agent asks for your documents. Listen and repeat this sentence. Here is my passport, please. Now, let's practice a very important question at the airport. You need to find your gate. Repeat after me. Where is gate number 10? Where is the restroom? Excellent. Now, imagine you have landed. You are in a beautiful new city. You want to go to your hotel, but you are lost. Don't worry. You can ask for help. First, always start with a polite, "Excuse me." Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Now, let's learn how to ask for specific places. Repeat after me. Where is the train station? Where is the bus stop? Where is the nearest hotel? Now, listen carefully. When people give you directions, they use specific words. Let's learn the big 3 directions. Number 1, go straight. Number 2, turn left. Number 3, turn right. Let's try a small challenge. I will give you a direction, and I want you to imagine it in your head. Go straight, and then turn left. Turn right at the corner. You are doing a great job. Asking for directions can be scary, but remember my tip from the last episode: people are usually happy to help. If they speak too fast, you can use the magic sentence we learned in episode 2. Repeat after me. Can you speak slowly, please? Can you repeat that, please? Perfect. These sentences give you power. They give you confidence. Now, let's talk about transportation. How do you get around the city? Repeat after me. I take a taxi. I take the subway. I walk. Think about your dream vacation. Where do you want to go? London, New York, Tokyo. Imagine yourself walking in that city, speaking English, and feeling confident. This is why you are practicing today. Here is my special tip for today. If you are traveling, download an offline map on your phone. But, try to ask one person for directions every day, even if you know the way. This is the best way to practice speaking with real people. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Traveling is an adventure, and learning a language is an adventure too. Mistakes are just part of the trip. You are doing amazing. We are moving forward, step by step. Your homework for today is this: imagine you are in London. You want to find Big Ben. Write in the comments how you would ask for directions. Start with, "Excuse me." Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. I am Adam. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.